In a bid to seek answers to triggering questions on the use of makeup by ladies in recent time, Dr. Faiza Sadorki, a dermatologist at the Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital, have professionally pinpointed the strengths and weaknesses. Dr. Sadorki threw light on what seems to be hazy, on the usage of skincare products, what to avoid and note. According to her, makeup has different views to it. To some, it is the contemporary application of powder and skincare products, while to some, it is the whole concept of an appearance. It may be just your look without any application of beautifying products, she said. Makeup has good sides to it and bad effects too, as all that has advantages also has disadvantages. She emphasized this by stating a skin condition called vitiligo. In her words, doctors do recommend a skincare product called Dermatitis to serve as camouflage to improve the physical appearance of the face mostly. Vitiligo is a skin condition where the cells that produces pigment are dead or not functioning. It is a disease that causes loss of skin complexion. This way, some kind of skin irritation is established which is in form blotches. In this case, the makeup may be said to have advantages or a good effect. She advised that the ideal way to use products is to get skin tests done, answer questionnaires and get professional recommendations on the most appropriate products that are suitable for her skin type. Most of the skincare products comes from foreign countries, and the fact that we have a different skin color from them makes it quite necessary to get medical advice on the use of makeup products. The dermatologist explained that medication prescription is not going to totally prevent the effect but will surely minimize the littlest effect after matchmaking the skincare product to the one that has the least effect on you. This may be in form of identifying the chemicals that aren't suitable for your skin type. Here in Nigeria, we do blind makeups, no adequate testing to see what's good for your skin type and what's not. There are various unknown contents contained in the products we use these days, the creams particularly, for example, steroids. Steroids are organic synthesized compounds and hence foreign bodies. They particularly don't just work on the surface only. They go through the pores and deep into the bloodstream and constrict blood vessels. Most brands give us sincere information on the ingredients used in preparation. And then we blindly use them without questions, and this shouldn't be, she cautioned. The lipsticks and lip balms were other interesting areas that caught the attention of dermatologists. According to her, varieties of products we use are not really okay for the skin. For example, some lip balm and lipsticks that are supposed to keep the lips moist breaks the lip instead and it starts to crack. She added that some people develop lipstick dermatitis as a result of this. Some of the products applied to the eye or that tampers with the areas around the eye may cause conjunctivitis. The blood vessels around the eyes are being endangered. She explained. It appears that some people have gotten away with the side effects of this skincare product, as some users of whitening toning products have good testimonies these days. Does this mean it has no obvious effects on some people? No. The fact that we all have different skin types answers this, because not every product that works for one works for another, and this, many people have failed to take note. If a skincare product contains foreign chemicals, it will surely destroy the skin in the long run, even if it initially works magic. There will come a time it will stop working for you.